Today, I'll show you how to add glowing horns to a character using the body effects feature. Let's get right into it. First, import your video clip where the person is clearly visible. Now, at the bottom toolbar, tap on Effects. Go to the Body Effects section. This category is designed to track human figures and apply cool animated elements. In the search bar, type horns. Tap on the glowing horns effect to apply it to your video. Once applied, tap on the effect again to open the customization options. Here you'll find two useful sliders. Size. Use this to scale the horns up or down depending on your character's head position. Color. Tap on the color option to choose a glowing hue that matches your scene. Whether you want fiery red, electric blue, or neon green, it's all possible. CapCut automatically tracks the subject, so the horns will follow their head movements throughout the video. And that's it. You've successfully added glowing horns in CapCut Mobile. This is a fun way to give your character a supernatural or mischievous touch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative CapCut tips.